Many new brands struggle to generate sales because of low awareness about their product and because even the competition is selling in the same price as they are giving. So there is a small tip which we want to share regards to how you can increase your sales potential by just offering coupon to the customers. And to give the examples, I am taking the example of one of the product called SPF 50 sunscreen for women. So if I type this in Amazon, I can see some results appearing in. And in the results, we can see that there are save 9%, save 10%, save 5%. So a lot of coupon brands are showing, and you can clearly see the difference between a normal listing versus another listing where the deal of the day or sale 45%, sale 5%, extra heads are appearing along with the listing. So it gives more potential for the brand to get attention of the customer. And whenever you are doing a sponsored ad, it is also a good strategy to also offer coupon to the customers. Now coming to the next part of this, can anyone create this coupon and can sell with the help of this coupon? Yes. So most of the brands where the fulfillment is done by the seller or fulfillment is done by directly Amazon, in both cases you can create your own coupons and you can focus on getting the sales during certain amount of time. There are some of the other guidelines which I want to give you. One, that whatever is the price of your product, in this case, the price is 399. And if the brand is offering 5% or maybe any discount, so Amazon referral fee will be applicable on 399, the full amount of the sale price, not after the deduction of the coupon price. So coupon is something which you are offering from your end. Amazon will still deduct the referral fees on the total amount. The second thing which I want to tell is you can create two type of coupons. One is you can give coupons in the percentage. Another is you can even give a fixed amount on the coupon. Save 100 rupees, save 10 rupees, save 50 rupees. So any kind of ways you can actually create coupons. Now let me take you to Seller Central account to show how to create these coupons. So I am in my Seller Central account. If I click on the top, there is an option called advertising. In the advertising, you can see there is an option of deals and coupons. So you have to click on the coupons. So once you click on the coupons, there is an option comes create in bulk, create a new coupon. So suppose if I click on create a new coupon, now I have to enter a AC number. I'm entering one of my AC number, one of my products AC number, and I select this product for coupon creation. You can also add multiple AC numbers to create one coupon code for all. For just example purpose, I am taking one of my product and I click on continue. Now Amazon will ask you from which date to which date you want to have a schedule running for this coupon. I can select a date and I can also select an end date, that may be for 10 days, 14 days. Whenever you have a product and you want to run offers for that product, you can create a coupon between 1 to 90 days duration. Now I can set discount based on the percentage off or money off. So percentage, like I can create 5% discount, 10% discount, whatever discount I want to offer to the customers. Another is money off. I can say that offer 10 rupees, 20 rupees discount to any customer who want to buy my product. And if I want to limit the redemption to one customer per time, I can even opt for this. I can also set up the total budget which I want to dedicate on the coupon. I can have a minimum 1000 rupees and maximum up to any amount I can go. So suppose for 2000 rupees I want to offer discounts or coupons to the customer, I can include 2000 rupees. Now I have selected money off, so it is giving me option save 10 rupees on first purchase. Do you want to offer discount to all customers or only Prime members? Because I am doing fulfillment by my own, so I will go for option of all customers. Once I click on continue, so Amazon will show me all the details, that what is the title of the coupon, discount which I am offering on each product, total budget I have taken for these coupons. So suppose one person has taken the discount of 10 rupees. So in 2000 rupees budget, 200 customers I want to acquire, to whom I want to offer 10 rupees discount on first purchase. So after total budget of 2000 will be consumed, automatically Amazon stop showing the coupon in the listing. I will click on the submit part, and to check whether my coupon is ready, I can go to the coupon dashboard to check this. I can even create sponsored product ad along with my coupon. It will attract more traffic, and it has been seen that when you're offering sponsored sponsored product ads along with the coupon, it attract more click-through rate, and with this, it also increase the conversion rate of the product. So idea of this video is to guide you that use the coupon codes in your product. If your product is new and if you are looking for a differentiation with your use this coupon strategy to get more customers and delight them with some extra things. Thank you.